4K TV. A 4K TV is a television with a screen resolution of approximately 4,000 pixels across. More specifically, it displays 3,840 pixels horizontally and 2,160 pixels vertically, creating over 8 million individual pixels on the screen. This is 4 times the number found in a standard Full HD television. As television technology improved during the 2010s, 4K gradually became the new standard for home entertainment because it could show much finer detail and sharper images. The biggest difference between a 4K TV and older televisions is image clarity. With so many pixels packed into the screen, objects appear more detailed, text looks cleaner, and scenes can look more realistic, especially on larger displays. This extra detail becomes easier to notice when watching nature documentaries, sports broadcasts, or modern movies that are produced in high resolution.